Scottish Law Commission was set up 50 years ago by an Act of the United Kingdom Parliament, the Law Commissions Act of 1965. 2015, 50 years later, was therefore a golden opportunity for us at the Scottish Law Commission to recognise and to celebrate half a century of Commission-driven law reform for Scotland. A number of high-profile events have taken place this year in order to mark this special occasion. These reflect the excellent reputation and the high standing which the Scottish Law Commission enjoys internationally within the UK and in Scotland. In the international world of law reform, the Commission played a leading role this year. We hosted an international conference attracting key law reformers from across the Commonwealth and beyond. This was the biennial conference of the Commonwealth Association of Law Reform Agencies. The Scottish Law Commission is a founder member of that association. We are active in promoting the value of law reform and sharing best practice in law reform at an international level. There was also a special session on 50 years of law reform in the United Kingdom, and as chairman, I gave a presentation about the Scottish Law Commission and our achievements. The Commission took the opportunity at the conference to showcase to an international audience recent law reform achievements in Scotland, including the establishment of a new process in the Scottish Parliament at Holyrood for implementing Commission bills. This new process recognises the importance that the Parliament and the Scottish Government have given to law reform and to Commission reports. Turning to the Commission's relationship with the United Kingdom, while devolution took place in 1999, the Commission continues to work with the UK. We carry out law reform projects on reserved areas of Scots law, and our reports on those matters are the responsibility of the United Kingdom Government and the United Kingdom Parliament at Westminster. At the UK level, the Commission made a substantial contribution at a major conference reflecting upon 50 years of the Law Commissions in the UK. This was organised by the Dickson Poon School of Law at King's College London and the Faculty of Law at the University of Cambridge, and it was held at the United Kingdom Supreme Court in London in July. The value of the Commission's work to the UK Government was also recognised with a special visit this year by the Secretary of State for Scotland, the Right Honourable David Mundell MP. A meeting with the Advocate General for Scotland, Lord Keane of Ely, the Scottish law officer for the UK Government, was also held. The strength of our relationship with Scottish ministers was recognised by two high-profile visits to the Commission's office this year. We were honoured to receive a visit by the First Minister, Nicola Sturgeon, MSP, to the Commission's office in August. The First Minister viewed a display of the Commission's work over 50 years, and she met commissioners and staff and spoke warmly of the Commission's invaluable contribution to keeping the laws of Scotland modern, updated and fit for purpose. The actual date of our 50th anniversary was the 15th of June. That was the day on which the 1965 Act came into force. The Cabinet Secretary for Justice, Michael Matheson MSP, visited the Commission's office that day and discussed the work of the Commission and the value of law reform to Scotland. An important development in recent years is that the links between the Commission and the Scottish Parliament have grown stronger. The Scottish Parliament has recognised law reform as an important part of their activities. A committee of the Parliament was established in 2013 with a specific remit in relation to law reform and Commission bills. A Scottish Law Commission bill can be referred to the Delegated Powers on Law Reform Committee, who can then take the lead in considering the bill. This has enhanced the capacity of the Parliament to deal with Commission bills and will increase the rate of implementation of Commission recommendations. At the Commission, we were delighted when the convener of the committee, Nigel Donn MSP, and committee members visited us in May to mark our 50th anniversary. Within Scotland, the Commission's law reform role and our close engagement with the legal profession was recognised by the Law Society of Scotland, who held a reception at their conference at the Edinburgh International Conference Centre in October to mark the Commission's 50th year. The President of the Law Society, Christine McClintock, made a presentation to the Commission. The Commission's role was also recognised this year by a special event organised by the Scottish Public Law Group in November at the Lake Hall in Parliament House. This event was opened by the Dean of the Faculty of Advocates, James Wolfe QC. It focused on the Commission at 50, with presentations by myself, one of our Commissioners, David Johnson QC, and by a former Commissioner, Laura Dunlop QC. As to the future, beyond this 50th anniversary year, ahead lie challenges and changes for the Commission. We are working on modernising methods of engaging with civic society in Scotland. For example, our website has been updated. This will allow the Commission to expand the use of social media, such as Twitter and multimedia, in order to communicate better. The Commission's aim in the future is to continue to make a vital contribution to the modernisation of Scots law, so as to reflect the needs of a rapidly changing society. A modern legal framework is needed to provide for a just society and one within which the economy can flourish.